Hello, welcome to Mars Radio, coming at you from the red planet 225 million miles away. For this video, we are going to be covering Bitcoin and Dogecoin. And for that, we're just going to look at the chart, see what's been going on with it, and yeah, this should be quick. So, Bitcoin, 15-minute chart, going back on... God, what day was that? Nope. That would be yesterday. So nice little pop here. I think it almost hit 59,000. Go back to 1 hour. Yeah, it dipped a little bit here. Going back on April 8th. But it's come back up. Pretty bland. I mean, Bitcoin's been holding steady between 55 and 60 for like, let's go to our chart. I think since the beginning of April, or just about, or end of March. Yeah, you see that? Between 60 and 55, all April. So, but it's starting to cap off a little bit here, and there's not a whole lot of sentiment. This has been the biggest dip that it's had in the past the past 2 weeks. So, April 8th, April 7th would have been a good time frame in order to accumulate some more before the big pop, before the end of the month. All right. Dogecoin, 15-minute chart. We had a nice pop at around 4 o'clock in the morning today, but otherwise it has been... No, this wasn't 4 o'clock in the morning. Is this even a good time frame on this? Let me see. So boom, that goes all the way till 2000 on that. Okay, that goes 12. Yeah, okay, we're good. So yeah, at around 4 o'clock in the morning today, popped up. That would have been a nice swing trading opportunity. Just fucking sold off at around 640, 645. 635 or 625 would have been enough to yield you a decent amount if you bought around the... Let me see. Did it ever reach 6? No, it hasn't reached 6. So you have to trade in the... Let's put an average on this. Let's get the average. Around 15. 15's a bit high. But if you trade around the 615 and go up to the 640, then you would have made, I guess, so if you had $1,000 and you divided that by 0.0615, you'll have 16,260 times 0.064. What do you know? There's $40 right there. Just 1,000. Good swing trade opportunity. But you got to keep your shit conservative. And also you got to buy in at back where you originally did in order to make the actual difference. But good opportunity right there. How many times has this spike happened in the past couple of days? A couple of times. So that happened. That would have been enough to make a good swing. This would have been enough to make a good swing. This would have been crazy for anybody who was able to do that. Another decent swing after that drop. This would have really fucked anybody who was in about right here. Probably would have lost any sort of profit you got, so you have to be careful with that. But if you just waited and sold right here and then just waited again, you would have been good. Again, this is like the last... Yeah, this is about the 5-day chart for this. But you see sentiment is starting to build up for Dogecoin yet again. And like I told you guys a couple days ago, there was that weird trading activity right here. Remember that? The trading activity right here. That same, or the next day after I made that video, this happened. And this happened. And ever since then, it dipped real fucking low and then stayed above 6 cents. That was the signal. It was on an overall uptrend, but then it picked up pace, and this is all organic. This is all organic growth. It's like the brakes got let off right here, and just went boom, and then somebody put the brakes back on right here, but a little less than what it was originally before. It's at around, hovering around 6 cents. There's, let me see. So going at a average low, just looking at the chart, at around 610-ish. Let's go 610. Yeah, 610. 615. 620. Each of those, you could have made a small profit just with $1,000 for this. This would have been huge if you did 640, 625 off of 615. This kind of would have been yeah, just small trades. So overall, market sentiment bullish. For some reason, it's dropping right now, but that is well within the acceptable range of what is tradable. And yeah, but like I said, that unusual ass trading activity a couple days ago, that was a signal. I told you, if it got above 6 cents, stayed above 6 cents, that was going to be a good sign for the long term, and it's starting to look like it. Alright, that is all for today. This is Mars Radio again, coming at you from the Red Planet, 225 million miles away. I will see you later. Bye.